Today's video is looking at the effectiveness of these electronic muscle stimulators. They're always advertised this time of year, particularly like ab belts that promise you six-pack abs while you're doing little more than sitting on the couch. The most basic way to think of these electronic muscle stimulators is as a prosthetic nervous system. Naturally, when you contract a muscle, your brain is creating a signal, sending it through your nervous system, and that's what's making your muscles contract. These devices do the exact same thing, where the little computer is the electronic brain, the wiring is the nervous system, and then the pad is sending the signal into the muscle and making it contract. I know these things are useful in especially a therapeutic setting, areas where people have trouble engaging the muscles and turning them on after things like injury. Electronic muscle stimulation can be very effective at getting the muscles to kind of wake up, so that way when the patient is then doing therapeutic exercises, they can engage the muscle much better and the exercise is a lot more effective. But the best way to think of an electronic muscle stimulator is as supplemental muscle tension. It doesn't replace the actual tension you need to generate from your own mind, because a lot of the effectiveness of an exercise comes from your mental ability to contract and control your muscles, particularly in a functional setting. And this is especially the case with building muscle. The tension and progressive overload that you need to get bigger and stronger doesn't come from a weight or from an exercise program, it comes from your own mind. So circumventing your nervous system with an electronic device, it makes me think that's not going to work very well in the long run in helping you get bigger and stronger, because it's not exactly the same stimulus that you need from your mind. But that can be very good for a therapeutic setting, for warming up your muscles or improving the mind-muscle connection and getting the muscles to wake up, so that then therefore carries over to more effective actual workout sessions that can help you build muscle and strength in the long run. So there are my thoughts, but let me know yours. What are your experiences with electronic muscle stimulators? We'd love to hear from you down below in the RDB community. Don't forget that I come out with videos like this multiple times every week, so subscribe if you're new here so you don't miss an episode. Till then, be fit, live free.